This 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is brought to you by RLB Sales and Leasing. 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Moab Custom 4x4. This Wrangler is in above-average condition inside and out for the year and mileage, and has been adult-owned, driven, and garage-kept. In addition, we have 2 keys with 2 remotes. Features include 4-in QUOT, front lift kit, 20-in QUOT, Costco wheels with Pro Comp Extreme 35x 12.5 R20 tires, Freedom Top, 6-speed manual transmission, automatic air conditioning, LED lights, side rails, tail light guards, navigation system, leather interior, heated front seats, and much more. This is a fantastic Wrangler with numerous features. Assured to please, this vehicle is in above-average condition inside and out for the year and mileage. The exterior is in above-average condition for the year and mileage. The alloy wheels are in superb condition with no abrasions. The interior of this vehicle is in above-average condition for the year and mileage. This Wrangler was owned by a non-smoker. It drives and looks fantastic. Visit us at rlbsalesandleasing.com.